The Greater Bengaluru Authority has clarified that private citizens are not permitted to relocate or remove stray dogs, stating that such actions constitute an offence. The statement was issued on June 11th, reaffirming the authority's commitment to implementing Supreme Court guidelines on stray dogs. The clarification comes amid reports that some residents have allegedly been removing stray dogs from their neighborhoods and shifting them elsewhere. The GBA said that only designated officers under the 5 city municipal corporations are authorized to relocate stray animals and that such dogs will be moved to approved shelters. The Supreme Court had earlier directed civic authorities to house stray dogs, also referred to as community dogs, in shelters, citing a rise in dog bite cases across the country. It also observed that the animal birth control rules, which was introduced in 2001, were not being effectively implemented, resulting in inadequate sterilization and vaccination of stray animals. In a statement posted on social media platform X, the GBA further said that cruelty towards animals is punishable under law and warned of strict legal action against individuals, groups or associations found guilty of harassing, assaulting or injuring stray animals. The authority also stated that designated feeding spots are being established across all 5 city corporations. Citizens have been advised that they can contact the GBA helpline at 1533 to locate feeding areas in their respective localities, appealing to citizens, apartment associations and resident welfare associations. The GBA urged the public to act responsibly, maintain community harmony and support animal welfare initiatives. It added that community dogs are part of our community. So viewers, what is your opinion on the GBA's decision that only authorities can relocate stray dogs and not citizens? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.